Good morning, guys. Hope you're having a good Friday. We're going into the weekend here. I want to talk to you guys about Solana today, SOL. Next week, I do think next week hitting $100 is a prediction that we're going to hit. I'm going to give you guys evidence of that, but we really do need to head up right now, and I'm going to be looking at some major supports here. We need to actually stay above if we're going to hit that target. So we're going to go over the metrics, guys, the indicators. I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup today for Solana, and we'll dive in, guys. Currently, if you guys don't know who we are, we're Trade Confident. We hold the highest win rate on all of YouTube that we can find. We have 109 wins that we've taken and 0 losses. We've never lost a crypto trade ever. I'm trading over here. I'm not just like coming out here and just showing you guys, oh, you should do this, you should do that. No, like I have $150,000 that I trade with my own money here, and we are extremely healthy in our accounts. Most accounts right now are down. You can kind of reference your own if you'd like. Most accounts are down around 40 to 50% right now. We had one of our members email us the other day. They're like, man, I'm actually making money with you guys in the bear market while some of my friends are down 60%. So we're going to keep you guys safe in the markets as you guys join us on this YouTube channel and get in and start trading with us. Okay, let me give you guys what you came here for. So let's take a look at this. Let's go over the analysis. Trend dashboard. Let's take a look at this first. This is going to show us what retail traders are looking at as far as their major indicators. RSI, stochastic, MACD, 50, 100, and 200 moving average. The best indicators retail traders use. They are all red this morning. Bearish selling is going on in the market. But I'm telling you guys, when these are bearish, you want to be looking to buy the price. We trade against retail traders, which is why we have such a high win rate and part of the reason why we've never lost a trade. Okay, take a look at this, guys. This is the main meat of the indicators over here. Price risk, well, money flow, trend exhaustion. What you guys can see here, and here's how you read this, is simply when the trend exhaustion pushes in the top red section and the well money flow is high, we're looking for drops back down in the market. Great call right there. Trend exhaustion high, well money flow high. What did we see this? When did this call us out? It was right over here on these candles, predicting the move back down in the market. Previous time we saw this come up here, trend exhaustion high, well money flow high. What do we see? It predicted the drop back down. Previous time before that, trend exhaustion high, well money flow high, seeing the drop back down. Guys, I show this to you because a lot of you guys are starting to now use these indicators for scalping. I highly suggest you guys use our risk management strategy to get into our trades because that's how we're winning all of our trades. But if you guys want to scalp, I'm showing this to you guys more in these videos. Now, the way you can scalp this for shorting, that's how you guys do it. Wait for the trend exhaustion to get in the top red section, well money flow high, looking for the move back down. This indicator here, these two together, have about an 80% accuracy. We've not been able to find another indicator that has this high accuracy. It's why if you go to the testimonials on our website, people they love the indicators. Tens of thousands of dollars people are making with the indicators. Okay, look at this. For scalping on the move up, for what we call long trades in the market. Basically, it's buying, expecting the price to move up. When trend exhaustion is in the low red section and well money flow is headed down here, this is where you guys look to trade the market back up, okay? Trend exhaustion low here in the bottom sections here. That wasn't over here. It was actually over here. If you guys just be honest with yourselves of where it actually first went off, it was over here, not at the bottom. But you guys were able to take this move back up here and secure some profits. You were also able to do it over here at the bottom to move back up. And okay, here's a thought that I just heard this in my mind. You guys are like, okay, Travis, that's super cool. Like, I'm not going to sit at my computer and watch these get to the bottom section. No worries, guys. We actually coded in this indicator to give you guys alerts. So I'll show you, just give me a few more minutes here. I'll show you guys how to get these indicators and where to access it. You guys actually get alerts with this indicator. So the moment that white line pushes down to the bottom red section, you guys will get an alert on your phone or your computer or whatever you want to set up on TradingView. So you guys can literally just scalp this whenever you want. Trend exhaustion low here. Let me show you one more here, guys, and then I'll show you guys this here. We saw this move back up. So if you guys are in the markets here and you're looking to scalp this, I would suggest you guys look to take between 2 to 3%. That's kind of like what I'm seeing in the markets now, and I will come out with a masterclass for this. Let's come down here. This move right here, you guys, that's 18%. If you can't get 2 to 4% out of that, come on, guys. You could do this. Okay, 27% move there. I'm just gonna come over here and look at when they hit the bottom red section. Okay, if you guys, 22% there. All right, let's take a look at one more over here. This is probably gonna be up to 30. No, 24%. And then let's just show this because I just want to let's finish it out here. The first time, let's not look over here, guys. Let's be honest with ourselves. Where was the first time it hit the bottom red section? It was over here. Sorry, that thing's coming over here. So those times you guys see this in the market and it drops down, what do? Use the risk management. And I'll show you guys how to be safe on these trades. Right after that, you guys got back into a trade here. You guys are seeing it hit the bottom red section over here, and then you guys are taking this move back up here. 3 to 4%, 10%, that's easy to make. Even if you guys held, you would have come back in the profit there probably pretty soon. I'll show you guys how to do this with good risk management. Watch the rest of the video. This is how you guys are able to scalp. Again, I personally don't scalp on this channel, but I use the risk management, and that's what we've gone 109 for 109 wins. But let me show you guys how to do this with good risk management. 1 second. All right, because I know a lot of you guys are going to do this. Okay, our metrics you guys are about to see. All of our metrics, all of our wins that we've ever taken, you guys can start joining us. I like to think of us as just like a big family over here. We are upping our membership price to $95 a month in 7 days. You guys have 7 days left to get all this data. All the metrics we're about to go over, you get that for all of our 12 coins. You get Telegram access, gives you literally updates of when I exit trades and when I am personally entering back into trades with my own real live money in Coinbase. The Inner Circle, we're going to go live on a Zoom coaching call for you guys March 10th for all of our members. So make sure you guys join us. You guys get access to that as well as master classes that you guys can access. And I will be coming out with another master class today, which you guys can see over here on master classes. The Inner Circle as well as the Telegram link is right there. Okay, I want to get into the actual metrics today for Solana to give you guys some predictions of what I think is going to happen. And we're going to take a look at what big money is doing and dive in here real quick. Okay, Solana. Almost forgot where it was. All right, guys. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is going to update literally in 15 minutes. So we're looking at updating very soon. The emotional index for Solana was pushed up into the excited area. Please pay attention to this. When this is pushed up into the excited area here, this is where we're looking for drops back down because this is where retail traders are looking to buy the pump. Did you guys hear what I just said? They're looking to buy the pump. It is the worst thing to ever do is try to buy the pump. I don't know how many people out there have been conditioned to trade with the trend. The trend is your friend. Trade with momentum. Guys, it's almost like the Wells institutions got together, put programming out there and just said, okay, guys, we want everybody to trade with the momentum. It's like, no, you guys need to be trading with the doom and the gloom. When the price is going down and people are freaking out, that's where you guys need to be buying. It's not when the market is going up. The problem with this is you guys have been conditioned, and if I can say this kindly, almost programmed to try to get in when the market goes up because emotions are taking over. Here's what happens, guys. When the market goes up here, your friends are telling you, hey, I'm making money in my account. And your emotions, you're not actually thinking this through. You're just allowing your body to be reactive. And you are feeling emotions on your skin and in your body. Literally, watch next time you get angrier when you feel things. You literally feel it on your flesh, okay? So, I know it sounds weird, but like, there's a reason why. Anyways, I'm not going to go into that. I was going to say like the spirit and the flesh in the Bible and how they talk about that. Like, you literally feel it on your body, like on your flesh, okay? So you guys are hearing your friends talk about this and it's like, I'm so jacked, it's going to the moon. And then what happens? The price ends up crashing back down. Okay, there's a reason why you guys keep losing trades, and we've never lost a trade. I'll show you what we're doing to never lose trades here. And are we going to lose one in the future? I'm sure we will, so please don't take it as we won't ever lose one. Please mark me down for a few, but it's going to be very hard to lose them. Let's just say that. Okay, long versus short trades here on the blockchain for Solana. Short trades obviously are increasing while long trades were heading out here. You guys can see this over here if you guys are looking at this this little chart over here. This short trade increase put pressure on Solana from going up any higher. Absolutely. I know the overall market of Bitcoin and Ethereum is going to move the rising tide of all altcoins, usually. But getting deeper into the individual coins as short trades increase here, it's going to put pressure on this. Well, guys, look at this. Short trades increased. Well, money flow is really high. Trend exhaustion was high. We don't short on this channel, but if you were shorting, guys, great job. If you did 2x leverage, which most exchanges make you guys use leverage, you did about 20+% on that trade. You did not get in at the top. You did not exit at the bottom. You probably did close to about 9 to 10%. Let's be realistic on this channel. You guys probably did around, 8 to 16%. That's probably more realistic, okay? Let's move down here. Market cap strength, very important metric that you guys need to be watching. This literally shows you guys what the market cap is for Solana based off the entire market. This shows us as long as market cap is following price structure, we're healthy and we're good. What we don't want to see, which I've shown this to you on Bitcoin, which has literally predicted market cycles for Bitcoin, is we don't want to see price action heading up and the green line moving down. This shows retail traders and the market as a whole, the price is going up, but the market cap of that coin is going down. It shows a lack of interest with big money, and money is literally coming out of that coin and it's going to other coins, showing a lack of interest in that coin. That is a precursor to what I've seen for drops in the market. Okay, you guys are like, I don't believe you. Oh okay. No, I'm sorry. I don't want to say that. You're not saying that. Well, let me show this to you. Do you guys see during this period right here? Let me just come in here and show this to you guys. Look at right here. What happened during this area? We saw price action move up and actually the market cap move down relative to the entire market. You guys got to see that. This over here is a bearish sign. Does this make sense? Price is going up and money is literally moving out of Solana. It's like, this is literally what people are thinking. Okay, Solana's going up. I should take my money out and put it into other coins because I think I'm going to make more money in my other coins. That's what people are thinking. If they thought they were going to make more money in Solana, they would have kept their money in there or they would have put more money in. But the precursor was literally, money was moving out of Solana while price moved up here. That is what I believe brings further confirmation of drops to come or pumps to come. Okay, a pump is when you guys will see the price move down and the market cap move up. Those are predictions of market cycles, and I did a Bitcoin video on that where we predicted the last 5 market cycles on Bitcoin with this metric, and it's on our website. You guys can check that out. Just go, like, literally, I know I'm like a little tangent here. Come over here and just click on the Bitcoin chart, and you guys will scroll down here, and then you guys can see it over here. It's like, it's crazy. Real quick, just a little like, watch that. Price action, market cap. Wonder what happened right here. Price action, market cap. Prediction moved back down. Wonder what's going on there. Look at that, guys. It's super powerful. Okay, let's stay on track here. Guys, the metrics, you guys get access to all of this. Like, once you guys have your membership, you get this. By the way, real quick pause. If you guys subscribe to this video, my team's like, Travis, you got to start telling people to subscribe. You don't do this. So, guys, if you subscribe to this channel, if you like any part of this analysis, subscribe. It would mean the world to me. I really appreciate it. Thanks, guys. All right, let's move on here. Okay, trades in favor. Looking at this coming up here at the good short trade area, this was pushing up here when we started getting extended in the market, and then we started crashing. Okay, now, do you guys see what happened? We moved down here into the good long trade section. What was happening with the indicators? Those of you guys have the indicators and metrics. It is a match made in heaven. Down here, good long trade, well money flow low, trend exhaustion low. Guys, getting into the market and pumping back up here. Guys, I have money in this trade. Like, as this goes up, I am making money. Okay, so we have not yet hit our 4th buy limit. We got so close, but we did not hit it yet. If this market goes down and hits our 4th buy limit, our break-even entry is going to drop down here drastically, and we're going to make more money as it goes back up. We're also going to save ourselves from losing money in this market because we're going to get a better dollar cost average in here. I want to just make sure this is fully accurate here. I'm just going to put it to the break-even entry. Okay, right there. Awesome. So I just want to make things, everything is transparent on here and accurate for you guys. Let's move down here, and then I'm going to show you guys how to get into a trade setup here. Well, institutional smart money, very important you guys are watching this. Retail traders are going to be emotional. You guys want to know what retail traders are doing? Watch this chart right here. Seriously, watch this chart. But don't follow this chart. Don't follow this chart, guys. Use this chart to understand what retail traders are doing. But you want to know what the good thing is about this? Is this tells us what retail traders are doing, but you want to look at this chart down here. Wells and institutional and smart money. Okay, let me explain this to you guys real fast. You guys, when you see the price moving up and all of your friends are like, hey, we're going to the moon. No, guys. You need to look over here before you make those conclusions. What's happening over here? Short trades were coming out over here with Wells and institutions, smart money, dropping this price back down. This is a sentiment indicator. You guys need to look at this. When the price started dropping, my apologies, guys. So sorry. When the price started dropping down over here, what did you guys see? Retail traders were selling, guys. They were selling, they're selling. But what's happening over here? Wells institutions, smart money, accumulating long trades. They are buying the dip and moving this back up. Now, what do we see over here? Right when we started pushing up here, we saw them move back down to short trades. What I believe is going to happen is if we come down here and we hit this $80 mark, we are going to see this shift back to long trades, and that's going to see a pump back up in Solana. I do think, guys, we could definitely see a pump back up in Solana before we hit $80. And by this next week, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this pump back up, I do believe is going to be corrected here. And we're going to see about a $100 move next week on Solana, which if you guys get into the trade today is going to yield you guys around, if you exit there, around 16 to 17%. Just money you guys can have in your account. Okay, let's look at this and I'll show you guys that trade setup. Support and resistance prices. Those of you guys looking at this, next resistance, 117.90. Basically, I want to look at structure high and structure low. That's where we're looking at. It's very simple. Move down here. Dollar cost average entries. Those of you guys who are using this metric got an incredible entry here. If you guys literally have like $10,000 and you're like, I want to just throw money in the market and hold for 5 to 10 years. And when I put money in, I want to just know that we're at least moving down. And I'm not like putting money in at the highs. If you want to put money in at the highs, use the exit points. I don't suggest that, but this is where we look to exit our long trades. Once Solana starts coming back up here and we get her at So sorry, guys. Excuse me. Once we get a red bar, that is where I'm going to be looking to exit this trade. Like, I know I have this chart really big right now, and it looks like a big distance, but honestly, guys, it's not that far away from even getting back to our break even. Honestly, guys, if we move down here, it's going to be the best thing that could happen because we're going to get our fourth buy limit hit, and this break even entry is going to come down even further. So Solana is not a bad opportunity. It is one of the best coins, I believe, to get into right now for a trade setup. I want to keep this private for our members, but if you guys just keep scrolling straight down, you're going to see the trade setup. I'm going to show this to you on Bitcoin this morning, okay? Let's go over here. Let's dive in how you guys are going to get into a trade setup, and I'm going to use the principles of what we show on Bitcoin. All of our charts look the exact same. Price action in white, 4 buy limits, 1 sell limit. I'm going to keep the chart in view over here because I want you guys to watch what I'm about to do here. Here's what you guys do, and here's how we have won. You guys are like, how does he win 109 trades in a row? Here's how we do it. Watch. What we're going to do here is you guys are going to take the amount that you want to trade with. This is just an example, okay? $1,000. Take that amount that you want to trade with and split it into 4 equal portions. 1,000 divided by 4 is $250. Now place $250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow. $250 here, $250, $250, $250. Very simple, guys. The prices in the buy limit prices are in neon yellow. You cannot miss them. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up the sell limit in green for 100% exit. So once that first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit for 100% exit. For Bitcoin right now, it's sitting at 52,000. Yes, 52,000. Just want to double check that real quick. Okay, once you guys have this set up on all of our coins, you want to follow me in the Telegram channel. I'm the one that updates the Telegram channel. I do all the live trades. I exit everything. Nobody else on the entire business. Jake and Josh, they help with support, stuff like that. But when it comes to trade calls, I've done this so much. I have over 4,000 hours of trading. I update all the Telegram channels. I update all the buy limits personally. So you guys know you're getting really good quality of that, okay? Telegram channel. Sign up on Telegram on your personal phone or your computer first, doesn't matter. And then when you guys click this link, as well as the link it's in the top menu bar, that will give you guys access, a hot link into the actual channel over here, so you guys can look at all the exits that I'm calling. I'm also now calling out every single time we exit a trade and we enter back into a trade. I'm calling that out in the Telegram channel. A lot of you guys were like, look, I want to take the exact same trades as you, Travis, the exact same ones, because you're not losing trades and I want to be in there with you. Now, every single time I exit and before I enter the trade, I am going to call it out in Telegram. Okay? Some YouTubers out there, I won't mention names, but this is my pet peeve of YouTubers, is they will get into trades and then they will tell their followers, oh, this is what we should be doing. Okay, guys, I can't stand it. It's like literally cheating your members, that like you get in at a low price and then you come out and tell your followers. I will tell you guys what I'm going to do before I get into the trade. I just did this on Mana and we did it on AVAX too. So just know that I want to keep that transparent. I don't know if you guys agree with that or disagree. It's just what I personally believe, and that's how we're going to run this. Okay, so make sure you guys are in the Telegram channel. Last but not least, guys, we'll end this video here, is the indicators. We literally have these indicators 82% off. I was just thinking about this when I went to bed last night. I'm like, this is kind of ridiculous. We should be having this like 50% off, but it's 82% off all of our indicators, all of them. Like the trend exhaustion, price to swell money flow, and the trend dashboard here. Those are the 3 that you guys want to copy my charts, and this is what I'm using every single day. If you want these 3, guys, use coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout. When you guys do that, you'll get about 40% off these 3. Okay, just to be really honest with you. If you get the bundle pack, you're going to save yourself an extra 42% right now, and you guys are going to actually get 9 indicators instead of just 3 for basically the same price. And here is all of our indicators down here. Okay, as I mentioned to you guys, where you guys, these indicators over here, you can set up alerts and do all that type of stuff. You guys can get that over here if you just watch these videos. These links have tutorial videos to every single one of these indicators of how to use them. And if they have alerts, I show you how to use those. Guys, we've never lost a crypto trade. I think we actually have the highest win rate possibly ever for crypto. The highest winner on all of YouTube. Once you guys start trading over here and you guys start looking at the testimonials, you're going to be like, wow, this is pretty awesome. We're keeping this bundle pack price because I can control this, obviously, because I own Trade Confident LLC. But I'm keeping this low on purpose because we're in a bear market. I know a lot of you guys are like, look, I don't have $1,000, $2,000 to buy indicators. Guys, we are far below $1,000. We're far below $2,000 or $1,000 with our indicators, far below. So make sure you guys snag this here, and you guys will get the indicators. It's a one-time purchase. You guys get the indicator source codes, so you have them for life on TradingView. Nobody can take them away from you. Even if Jesus takes me home, guys, and I'm not here anymore, you still have access to all of our indicators because you literally get the source code. So it's not, nobody's even doing that either. Nobody's giving away source codes. We're doing that because I trust you guys, and we literally have, we have legal things on the source codes. But anyways, Get the bundle pack. That's going to be the best deal for you guys. And then make sure you guys are getting the membership because that's going up literally in 7 days. You guys want to join us over here, okay? If you guys want to spend some time today, I'm going to end with this because it's just kind of fun. If you want to come over here, sorry, Telegram. Let me go back over here to the masterclass and then let's get over into the testimonials. I'll block out that the Telegram there because I want to keep it private for our subscribers. But people over here, they're doing really well. If you guys just want to read this, like this is pretty cool. Look at this. This is really interesting. I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much for the help. Travis is spectacular. It's weird reading it when I'm like the person. Travis is spectacular and is very in-depth and ensures there is no FOMO for whoever's trading with him. The trading method and staff that works with him will definitely be appreciated and definitely from me. Okay, thank you so much. Honestly, I have made $12,000 this bear market. My friends are down 65% in their account. Thank you again. You guys hear me say this, but like I don't feel like some of you guys are like, no, I don't believe it. But like literally, we have people making money in this bear market while their friends are down 60+%. You guys have heard me quote that in the last few videos, 60 plus, 65%. This is the exact testimonial here. Other people are just coming out here doing crazy percent profits in here. We've got people doing thousands of dollars a day, like in a day. People are doing like 6 trades over here. That's awesome. People who are trading with us, they're not losing trades. I know it sounds weird to like be the owner here and like, and it might sound like a sales video. I don't want to turn it into that. I want to just do this to show you guys who are on the edge here and you're like, should I join or should I not? We've never had a single trader lose a trade since we've traded over here. Not a single trader. And you guys will have the healthiest accounts in a bear market. It's actually technically like impossible not to because we use the buy limits. And then when we get back up here, guys, when the market goes back up, if you guys are following me, even with my account where I'm down, I'm sorry, I don't know the exact math on here, but 150,000 is break even. I think it's around, it's like 7 to 8%, I think, if I'm terrible at like doing that quick math, but like 7 to 8%. Okay. If people are down 65%, like let's take this guy's friends that are down 65%. When we get back up about 5 to 6%, and let's say it goes up 50%, that is tens of thousands of dollars. We're going to hit like $200,000 in our account over here and do $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 when some people are just breaking even. That is why we have hedge funds contacting me and I'm talking to them and they're like, oh my gosh, I get it. We don't want to lose a lot of money in bear markets, so I want to trade with you. And that's what people are doing. It's awesome, guys. I'll leave us with this because I just think it's kind of funny. People buy the indicators and listen to Travis, the end. So anyways, I thought that's kind of fun. All right, guys, getting us back to Solana. I just get passionate about this going into the weekend. Like set this up, guys. Come over here, start trading with us. Literally next week, we're just going to keep rolling out the trades. So I do believe we could see $100 next week for Solana. Like absolutely see $100, probably $105 by next week easily. But in the meantime, I do think we're going to see a turnaround before we get to $80 is what I'm expecting based off the metrics and the indicators. So guys, everything is in the description. I love you guys. Have an amazing day. God bless you guys over this weekend. I hope you guys have a good rest. You spend it with your family and you have a good time. Want to spend some time setting up the indicators as well as the membership? That would be awesome. Guys, if you subscribe to the YouTube channel, it means the world to me if you enjoyed anything in this video. But really, guys, if I'm being honest, like the real money is made over here on our membership because I'm calling out everything in the Telegram channel and you're getting access to all the data and all of our buy limits and all of the exits and the inner circle and everything you guys are getting over here. I will be releasing a masterclass today, so make sure you guys watch that. The last few I've done, placing $14,000 worth of live trades. Use the equator principle. You cannot not make more money if you watch that. How to master your emotions. I've taught this to hedge funds. Make sure you guys are watching that. How to spot big market moves before they happen. How to use TradingView drawing tools. And there will be one coming out today, which I'll keep a secret. And I'll let you guys know in the Telegram channel when I post that. All right, guys. That's enough for one day. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll do a Bitcoin roundup video at the end of today to give you guys predictions of where I think Bitcoin's heading this weekend. And I'll see you guys later. Everything you need's in the description. I love you guys. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you later. Okay, bye-bye.